morning, everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. I'm really excited about my outfit today, so I wanted to show you. Hi, Rory. This is so squeaky right here. It drives me nuts. I gotta get that fixed. So I'm wearing a Skims tank and the Skims velour sleep shirt, but I think it looks cute as like a little velvety over jacket situation. And then my Torrid distressed boyfriend jeans. These are a Torrid 16 and I haven't been able to get into them, and I would say they fit pretty true to size. I do not love how low-waisted they are because they are right on the verge of showing my scars, which I'm not like in love with, like 1 inch, and they're not even, and they're showing my scars, but I'm pretty happy with how I look in this outfit. I feel like I look 50 pounds thinner. Somebody else is not looking so thin. What's up, fatty? So Brett started his first day shift today. So we switched from nights after almost 7 years. Switched to days. He woke me up at 3 a.m. and wanted to talk. He had to get up at 5 to leave. Still feeling not 100%, but we're better. I have one Poshmark package that's ready to go, and then I need to grab my phone and we'll go upstairs, package another one that I made when he woke me up at 3 a.m. and I checked my phone. There's like this video I found on Instagram. It was a reel, and this girl was like, here's all the toxic habits that our generation does, and one of them was checking your phone in the middle of the night. Girl, it's 3 a.m. put your phone down. And I was like, oh my god, it's literally 3 a.m. and I have my phone. Like, for the love of God. My eyebrows look really dark today. Okay, so this is the only problem with this shirt, and drop my phone. It tends to ride way up, but I don't care. Oh god, piles. Okay, oh god, and of course the item is in the other room. I haven't moved everything into this closet yet. Most of it, except for like the small stuff like the bras and underwear that are in the, what you would call it, they're in this chest. One of my grandmother's chests that I have. God, I think I might have to do something about those eyebrows. Woo! Okay.
Oregano.
We're making mac and cheese.
Okay, that's it.
We're gonna roast some garlic, and this is how. Okay, that way. There we go. Okay.
Okay.
Santa's little yelpers. I hadn't seen that.
375. I'm gonna set the timer for 35 minutes.
Cool. You have to do that until it. That is infuriating.
Yeah, it is.
All the money that stupid thing costs.
That was free, actually.
Yeah, but you had to buy like the big dog to get the little coupon to get all the other stuff.
Okay, so you know how to make the basic white sauce, right?
Yeah.
2 and 2. 2 tablespoons of milk and 2 flour
and butter.
So I'm gonna do double batch.
Oh, there's my lunch.
So I need 4 tablespoons of butter.
We're making the mac for a family friend in these little containers so she can have them. And then freeze them and defrost them as needed.
Honey, it needs to cook.
Well,
I don't want it to boil over. Okay, you turned it down so it wasn't cooking.
sorry.
Thank you for turning it down.
It makes you feel better. Your face isn't in it.
That's good. Okay.
Well, it is now, but.
Now, I would normally do 1 cup, but I'm going to do 2. That's why I had you bring the milk in, because I wasn't sure I had 2
Because we're doing a double batch.
Right. I have 2 cups, but I'll still need more. This is the basic white sauce. Okay, so I want to get that thick. So for this, I would put, for a regular batch, I would put about 1/3 of a brick. But I'm gonna
Of
put,
creme cheese?
yeah, I'm gonna put more than that because it's, oh.
This microwave is garbage.
Okay, I like shallots instead of, onion, because it's, the flavor is very mild. It's just my opinion.
I wonder if I could start using shallots instead of onion and stuff, and if Brett would like it better. He might.
Try leeks.
He doesn't.
That would be good with the gumbo.
I already ordered onions. He didn't care about that. We cut them up pretty small.
Start with cheese.
All right, so now we're cutting up the white Velveeta. What did you say?
Here.
You could use 3 different kinds of cheese, but always use Velveeta as one of the 3.
Yeah, and you can decide, do you like yellow or do you like the queso blanco? I like the blanco with mac and cheese, but it is completely a personal preference. Did you see my Christmas nails?
Those are cute. You got little reindeers.
Yeah.
I'm getting mine done tomorrow. I can't decide between classic red and black.
Black?
Yeah, I don't know why. Probably end up with black. We put some pasta water in there too.
If it's too thick.
Yeah.
Just reserve some. Put water in that, please, before that
Oh, I
stuff
thought you meant
sticks.
put water in those.
No, don't
Whoops.
ever do that. The trick for the pasta is to cook it till it's al dente, but it's going to cook in the oven.
So I
for
done
quite a
fucked
while.
up.
So don't overcook the pasta like I just did.
I did that. And then don't rinse it with hot water like I did, because that makes it worse. Maxie, sit. Oh, look at the babies. Are you giving her a kiss? Oh, they see my shortbread.
Yeah, they're not looking at you. They're
Wait, wait.
mac and cheese.
I don't know if Brett heard that. Dad's making pizza. Mom's on cheese duty.
I'm done.
Oh, Mom's done with cheese
Suckiest
duty.
job in the kitchen.
Yeah. Why do you think I refuse to do it anymore? I don't live here.
Yeah, but you eat our food like you do.
Well, at least I don't eat very much. Shrooms. Puppies. What are the puppies doing? Is there extra garlic for the pizza?
Time for them.
What happened?
Well, it shrivels up sometimes.
Jeez. What are you doing? He puts his hand around your arm. He's doing the thing where he puts his arm around my back. You good boy.
Can't find it.
Pippi is patiently waiting for snacks she will never receive. Pippi. He says, I will wait with you. The final pizza. And we got more mac in there. Alright, party people. My parents went ahead and took the 2 pizzas and the mac and cheese over to our family friend, and I decided to go ahead and come home and cook some dinner for Brett, so he had something when he got off of his shift. And now I am just sitting here watching other people's Vlogmas. If you like thrifting, check out Pretty Pastel Please. She's a pretty big creator on here. You've probably heard of her, but she's doing Thriftmas. So instead of 25 days of Vlogmas, she's doing 25 days of thrifting, which I think is really cool. It's especially interesting to me because she's in Australia, so to see the thrifting situation in another country is interesting. I can't seem to get any good thrifting in other states, let alone other countries. I did thrift actually in England when I was there. I have a few thrifted pieces from England. But yeah, if you're from another country, let me know in the comments below what thrifting is like in your country. But I think this is going to be where we're going to close out today. I had fun cooking with my mom, and I did some work off camera to get our foundation ready for our next season in March. And I did some research to find new funders for my current clients. And I launched with my newest client, so I've got more work to do, and I'm really excited, and I cannot believe that it is a week until Christmas. I just realized that today. So it's just mind-blowing, and I'm really, really excited. Brett and I are working on our menu for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. We're gonna do gumbo here at our house on Christmas Day. So we have to get the rest of the menu figured out, get the groceries. Oh my god, the grocery store is gonna be insane. But I'm really excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of chill cook with me and my mom. You got some fun cooking tips from my mom. So I know that these videos will be really fun to look back on in a few years, or, you know, 30 years down the line when my mom's not here anymore. It will be cool to look back and see all these memories that we have together. So it's one of the reasons why I love doing this so much. Not just to entertain you guys and because it's fun to film, but I am keeping a hold of memories that I get to have forever. For the last 5 years, I've been documenting my life, and I'm just thankful that other people want to watch it. So if you want to watch it and you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the rest of Vlogmas, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Love you, Warrior Crew.